Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is nothing but it is a Vicco Turmeric skincare review video. Since I know this is not a product to review about it, definitely I want to review about this product. I've been using this product quite a long time. I don't know why, but I really thought that I should review about this Vicco Turmeric product, since I know many people might know about this product quite time, and this is the time that I can sit down and I can tell about this many things about this product. It definitely works great to my skin. Before going to this video, you just have to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon given there, and yes, let's start with the video. Many people might be wondering that why I am reviewing about this product, since I get one tube down and again I have repurchased about this. Now this product is something high budget products which I was been buying for my skincare. Now this is something which is really a magic miracle that have literally worked great to my skin. The product says that it's nothing but it is a Vicco Turmeric and an Ayurvedic medicines which prevent and cure skin infections, blemishes, worn and other skin orders, smooths the boil, pimples, acne, burns, and it also nourishes the skin. Now they also have written that it improves a tonal value and make it fair, beautiful. Now this is what is written in the package. Since if you talk about the packaging, it's nothing but it's a normal orange details is everything it is written here. Packaging is very convenient and it's a normal single tube. The color is nothing but it is in yellowish and it's like type of a haldi base in color which is mixed, and it's like the same type of color. It may stain your face bit. The fragrance is very nice. It blends very easily, and once I apply this on my skin and once I go to another room, my family will always ask me that what you have applied. The fragrance is very nice. If you'd ask about my experience using this product, my face, I applied this cream. It has been getting better. Supposed to use some other cream, but when I started using this the quantity is little user of this cream is nothing but it is like a cold cream. It's a very thick texture, but it's not heavy on the face. That when I use this product on my skin, it is using this product, it give me a matte finish, my skin more soft. It makes your skin look like a softer. As the day progressive, is that my pigmentation had got reduced. Skin feels more softer whenever I apply this cream. It also have mentioned in the product that it make you more fair. Not that part I did not notice much in this product, but the rest of the part, if you talk about the pigmentation, if you talk about the acne scars, yes, it really works great. It also have discouraged my pimples and always fade away my scars too. So I think so that this product have replaced my all the costliest product that I was supposed to buy. Now really I have stopped buying that all the costly product. Also for suitable for all skin type. Skin, please make a test patch. It is made up of turmeric. So if you're not been fond of turmeric, then please make a test pack. Going to this product is best for a combination and oil skin. It also reduce your oiliness from your face. Skin have got used to it. Once I shift to another product, I would be getting lots of acne. Now my skin definitely love this product. So that's all what I feel about this product. Let's start with the pros of this product. Very effectively for pimples and blemishes. It is nothing, of course, it reduces the scars and pigmentation from your face. This product, the turmeric is being used. Now turmeric also remove the facial hair. This cream on the regular basis, inexpensively, really available on the local kirana shop. For age-old product being used for 100 years. In this product, the con would be definitely it is not SPF. Price of the product was 188 rupees. For the video, hope you like my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and yeah, till the time, bye. I'll see you in the next video.